Assalamualaikum and welcome foodies. Today we are making delicious chicken stir fry in Flavorton style. For this I have taken 3 boneless chicken breasts, nicely wash them and then take a kitchen towel and dry them. Now take a knife and cut off all excess fat. Now slice it from the center so that we have even thickness. Now cut them at an angle in small pieces, neither too thick nor too thin. Also notice I'm cutting these pieces against the grain, which is gonna shorten the meat fibers, thus makes it more tender. Likewise, cut all other pieces and set aside. Next we are gonna cut some greens for garnishes. I have taken only green part of the spring onion and again I am cutting this at an angle. This way it looks more appetizing. Some parsley nicely chopped and set aside. To the chicken pieces I am adding 3 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour, around 1 tablespoon per breast, and then nicely coat it. For this step your chicken should be nicely dried, otherwise it's gonna absorb too much flour. Take a pan or a wok and heat up at a high flame. Add sesame oil. If you don't have it, then you can use olive or canola oil as well, but that roasted sesame oil will give it more flavor and aroma. Add some crushed garlic and stir it for a few seconds, not more. Now add chicken pieces one by one, so that all pieces get even heat. Remember, after adding, do not stir. Leave it there for a minute so that the crust forms and we have a nice golden brown color. Then flip the other side. Again leave there for a few seconds to sear and then turn. In that way chicken will never stick to the pan nor release any water. And all its juices will stay inside, making it more juicy and tender. Also keep in mind that flames should be high so that we have a nice sear quickly. In the same way brown all other sides and then we are going to move to other ingredients. 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce. It is already too salty, that's why I am not adding any salt in the dish. But you can taste and add accordingly. 3 tablespoons chili garlic sauce, and then stir them up. To that I am adding 6 tablespoons of cream. This is my secret ingredient to make it more rich and silky. Mix and let it simmer for 1 minute at high flame and then we are gonna turn the flame low and cover it for 1 to 2 minutes. Wow, wonderful smell and color. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of honey and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I didn't add these two before because honey caramelizes quickly and black pepper, they both could give a blackish color to your stir fry, which we don't want. We want a nice reddish brown color like that. Lastly add garnishes and look at this. How tempting. Some roasted sesame seeds on the top. And our lip-smacking stir-fried chicken is almost ready. Give it a stir and we are done here. You can serve it with rice, steamed veggies or fresh salad, it's up to you. Either way, it's absolutely delicious and can be ready in just few minutes. I usually give this to my husband for his office lunch and his colleagues also love it. Actually, it's on their request I put this recipe on so that they and also you can enjoy with your family and friends. So, if you like today's recipe, do give a thumbs up and share your feedback in comments. I would love to hear. See you again with another wonderful recipe. Take care. Bye bye.